this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, January 3rd. High School Student Council will be hosting a semi-formal winter dance for students in grades 9 through 12 on January 20th. Tickets are on sale in Mrs. Clark's room. It is $5 a person. We hope to see you there. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. On December 29th, boys varsity basketball beat Springs Valley 65-63 in the championship game. On December 30th, boys JV basketball won against Borden 61-33. Just a reminder that yearbooks are still for sale. Anyone interested in purchasing a book can still do so, but the cost is now $40. Please reserve your book today. And now to Ian with your weather report.
Thank you, Paoli. So today we have chances of maybe some light flurries, but nothing too serious as we head through your day. Temperatures will stay very cold with a high of 27 and a low of 6. As we head to the end of your week, the temperatures will drop, though. On Thursday with a high of 18 and a low of 2, and on Friday with a high of 18 and a low of 1. So you better bundle up. Back to you, Allie.
I'm Allie, and that's your PHS News Today. Have an Allie amazing day.